Hello everybody, Luke back once again with a quick tip of the day. Now, if you're like my family, you love peanut butter. My kids eat a ton of peanut butter sandwiches, and honestly I do too. But JIF, probably the most popular one in the United States, if not around the world, just had a massive recall due to potential salmonella contamination with it. And this is a pretty sizable recall of a lot of JIF peanut butter types and brands out there right now. Now, if you've thrown yours away and didn't go to the store to get a refund, don't worry. You can get a free coupon for replacement JIF products from JIF once they hit the stores again. The good news here is in the past you had to call them and request the recall or product to be replaced by a coupon. Now, because of understandable high call demand, they have created an online form where you can submit a request to get a free replacement coupon so you can go to the store and buy new JIF peanut butter without having to pay for it to replace what you lost. Of course, many stores are allowing you to take your JIF peanut butter back and receive a full refund on that, so keep that in mind too. Each store's policy and how they do that will vary wildly. But there is this contact form, and I will put this contact form down below here. So if you want to find that there, you don't have to go search for this. I'll have a link to it on their website in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. Keep that in mind. First though, real quick, also while you're down there looking for this link, do me a favor, help us grow this channel. We do a lot of quick tips of the day like this video, and we do a lot of reviews, over 400 of them. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here, so they recommend our videos to more people. And with that said, let's dive into this. So real simple, you just select what product you had. We had, for example, twin packs of the JIF 96 ounce packs of peanut butter we got at Costco. I can say, hey, I got 2 of these. Now it does ask here what your UPC code or product code is. It even shows you how to find that. Not required. You're actually not required to submit that information. But then you go in here and you submit your name, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and address. Now I'm unsure if this is going to be an emailed coupon or if this is going to be a in the mail coupon. So keep that in mind. But they will review this and send out the coupons for replacement products for any items covered by the recall if you have more than one product to claim. Complete the form again. So for example, I have this, but I also had a few different products. You go back and complete this again. Now, I do believe you may be more likely to get approved if you include the UPC and the product code if you have that still. If you don't, that's okay. I would still submit this form and see what happens. It can't hurt, for example. But this is a great way to get a quick replacement for the products that you had, so you don't have to go to the store and try to make a return there. Each store has slightly different policies on making returns in these situations, so talk to your local store about that if you're looking to get a cash refund. If you just want a product replacement and you want a coupon from JIF, this is a great way to do that also. So there you go. Again, just fill out this form. UPC and product code not needed. If you have it, I would submit it just to make this a little easier for them. And there you go. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new here, help us grow this channel. We do quick tips of the days like this randomly. We do a lot of product reviews. Check out our channel, over 400 videos just like this. Help us out, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. You can find this recall form in the first pinned comment and in the show notes down below. So until next time, take care. Thanks for your support. We'll be back with another video real soon.